5 to 6 lines. You could sum up it in public or in private, divide by that. So like in a public, choice is theirs, comfort isn't there. But in a private, we
Comfort.
have comfort and choice is also ours, and risk is also ours.
Yes. But like
If we
private
go for
vehicle,
night driving.
private vehicle is cost more than general vehicle.
Okay. Have you traveled at night
Yes,
by public or private transportation?
both. Both.
Okay. So will you share your experience?
Because I always drive. Then I more than know my parents. Night driving is also good if there is car is better than our cars.
Okay.
And general transport is also preferred because in night the risks of their not us.
Okay. Now let's talk about taxi. Have you traveled? Have you booked ever any taxi, Uber, Ola, any? Okay. Do you
Never.
know how to use these
I
taxis?
think in our
City?
city there is not any taxi.
There is the facility of these.
There is,
Yeah, there is the facilities of these things. Depends what
but
you
I
require.
didn't know about it
Okay.
because I didn't use
Do you
it.
know how do they handle things?
No, I haven't any idea of it because I never. But I know the past they only book rides on phone and go for it and take a OTP. That's their work. But I didn't go for it or any booked Bola book.
Okay. Now let's talk about the two-wheeler.
Hmm.
From the which age? From which time have you started using it? Like bicycle.
Bicycle when I am 5 or 6.
I am.
I was 5 or 6.
See, when I ask question related to past, then just go back to past rules. So how was your experience when you used your first cycle?
Many times, many times I was. ठीक क्या मतलब?
Falling down?
Falling down from bicycle. And firstly, it is very tough. Then slowly,
What was the height of yours at that time
I don't know about it.
compared to your bicycle?
It's lower than.
Your bicycle.
Yes.
Okay. Then, who taught you how to ride?
No one.
Okay.
Not bike is not, and I know from anyone. But car I was
I learned.
learned
Okay. From skilled person.
skill. We can say cars.
After cycle, which vehicle did you start using?
Scooty. We can say.
Okay. So how was
Scooty
your
then
experience?
If in bicycle we also want to make a balance, then also we want to give power to it. But in scooty there is only we want to make a balance. Then power is in the scooty.
Okay. Now let's talk about traffic signals. Which type traffic signals are there? What is their timing? And what is the process?
There are 3 types of signal. Red signal, that means we want to stop, and we can stop for 1 minute and only 1 minute we can say. In metro city is also the rule of 1 minute, not for more than. Then also the light after right is yellow light. They may I but I not know everything, but I think
It's to get prepared.
it's to get prepared that red light being maybe
Red is to stop.
red is to stop,
Yellow is to get ready.
ready,
And green is to
go.
let's go. That. Do you follow rules?
No,
No. So do you skip? Which time do
it
you
is
skip?
it is based on that high was the requirement of mine.
Hmm.
If I am very early or we can say late, then I used to skip it.
Okay. Then whose risk in this?
Mine risk is this, but I always pass the traffic signals when there is not anyone, like we can say police station, police we can say.
Okay. Will you talk about your country's transportation system in which government is ruling out? Do you think everything goes in a correct way, or does there require any change in the transportation
Many
system of
change
your
and
country?
many change is required.
Hmm.
I think always everything is legal. Always everything is legal in my country.
Hmm.
But the government only only legal that work, then they like corruption is always still there. If anything is good, they always not legal it. Like rash driving in emergency is also prohibited.
Okay. But my question was that
How the
which are the things you
changes.
require to be changed?
Yes,
So you are to answer related to that.
I think some changes is also still want to be there.
Some changes is
War are
are.
wanted to be there,
Such as
such as to always check, but they not want to go there. मतलब बीच जगह से रोक लिया.
if someone stops them in between the way.
The way they not stopped if they want to call, मतलब बीच जगह से फोन करते छाड़ देंगे. चाहे वो
No,
गलत
no,
भी
you
हो.
are not. Okay, you can continue it, but you are not getting my point. I was saying which changes are
हाँ,
required
क्या चेंज है ना, भी उन्होंने ना जान देना.
to let that person go.
हाँ, चेंज यही है ना.